Hey everyone, okay, so today I'm going to be giving you my thoughts on the brand new lipsticks from Victoria Beckham Beauty. I have all of the lipsticks here, and I also have some of her eyeshadows and of course the incredible primer and serum, which we'll speak about at a later date. Ironically, the primer and the serum are so good, but it is so expensive that it's way out of my price league, but it is an incredible product. So, new lipsticks. I honestly think that these lipsticks are targeted towards a slightly older audience. Although they work on everyone, of course, there's something about the formula that it's just incredibly beautiful, the formula. The way that they work on the lips is beautiful as well. They are hydrating. They are not ultra full coverage, which I adore. I think it is such a great move. So let's do some swatches and you can have a look. So the first one we're going to be swatching is Spice, and Spice is this nude brown. It's a really pretty color. So let's give it a little swatchy on my face. So this here is Spice. It is the perfect sort of, it's a nudie beige brown, absolutely. So the next one is Pop, and I actually think that the use of these names is genius. It also shows, because for those of you who are unaware, Victoria Beckham has an incredible sense of humor, very, very fun sense of humor. So Pop is this red shade, and it's really pretty and beautiful. And again, I cannot express to you the emolliency of these. They are beautiful. So the next one is Girl, which again, Girl is this kind of beigey. This has a little bit more pink in it compared to the first one we swatched, which was Spice, but just ultra pretty and ultra wearable. So moving on, we've got Pixie. So Pixie, again, beautiful nudes. You can never ever have too many nudes, and this definitely has more of a beige peach undertone to it. Very pretty. So next up we've got Play. So Play is a much deeper shade, kind of really sort of vampy color. It's got this mix of this sort of like a burgundy with a kind of a deep wine to it. Very, very seductive. And of course, as with all lipsticks, you can use them on your cheeks as a beautiful blusher. It also works really well. Lip color, tiny bit on the cheeks. So the next one here is Pout. Pout's lovely, really pretty. So we'll stick that right here. Pout has the kind of a true combination of peach and pink. It's just very, very pretty, very feminine. Next we've got Fringe. So Fringe is a really deep color here, as you can see. It's very bold, but goes on much sheerer than you think and can build up, and it has a real intense deep brown undertone to it with just a hint of kind of like a mulled wine. Next we have Sway. So Sway is, here it is. Let's have a little look, and I'm running out of space, so I'm going to pop it here. So Sway is kind of that somewhere in between a sort of a dusky rose kind of shade. And finally, we have Pose. And Pose is a slightly, again, you've always got these kind of brown undertone, I'm sorry. I'm gonna pop this right here. That is a great color. That is a great color. Now, as I mentioned, these definitely to me feel like they are targeted towards a slightly older audience just because of the emolliency of them, the fact that they're not ultra pigmented, but they are incredibly buildable, the fact that they are so comforting on the lips. Incredible addition. Of course, with incredible products comes oftentimes incredible prices. These are not cheap lipsticks by any means, as the entire range of Victoria Beckham is on the more pricey side. But you are getting quality here without a doubt. Now, if I can find them, let's have a look. 1 second, stupid boy, 1 sec. Just gonna talk to you. I can't find them. Hello, where are you? Oh, I see you. I see you. Here we are. So I'm gonna show you quickly the eyeshadow palettes. So the eyeshadow palettes are so beautiful. They're in these gorgeous compacts, and I'll talk to you about the compact in a second. And is this the same one? I've got two the same, because it's just such easy wearable colors. So one of the most beautiful things about these is the compact, and you actually get, I think it's something like 8.5 grams of product in here. The problem with the compact itself is because of the weight of it, if you drop it, it is highly likely the product will break, and I have broken one in the past. Now they come in various shades and stuff, and they also do, if I can find it without exposing my backside to you, which, you know, can't imagine any of you are going to want to see that. And these gorgeous diamond celestial colors that come in these little pots, and you use them with your finger or a brush, and then you lightly sweep them, and these are so richly pigmented, and they just create the most ridiculous amount of shine. They are absolutely brilliant. I was a massive fan of the toppers by Natasha Denona, and these just overtake these by a mile. They are so incredibly beautiful. So there you go. That is Victoria Beckham's lineup. Quite divine, I must say. Quite divine, abso-bloody-lutely. Let me know what your thoughts are. I'll put some links down there, and I'll see you all very soon. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Hey everyone. Okay, so I just wanted to give you a little update following a previous video that I did. Firstly, thank you for all the kind comments. It means a lot to me, it really does, and I appreciate it more than you know. On the 28th of September, I signed the documentation to pay off this debt that was created. And today, I just filmed this video today, I'm now off to the bank to do the CHAPS transfer, and that is completing the process. I will have officially, right now, paid off the debt. It's an incredibly surreal, frightening, miserable moment, because technically everything you have saved and done for 8 years has just been wiped out. It's gone, it doesn't exist anymore. And it's a horrible feeling, because you never know you're going to make it back. You don't know that, there's no guarantee. And it's frightening because you can work so hard for something, and just to have it all go, it's extraordinary. To everybody that has supported me and all these kind comments, thank you so much, it means the world to me. To answer just a couple of the questions with regards to restocks of brushes and products, there are restocks coming, but they're in much smaller quantities for obvious reasons. And that will be the case for a little while until hopefully things turn around. But they are coming, I promise. Restocks are going to happen, just at a much slower pace, unfortunately, and a much smaller quantity. But things are going to come, I promise. I'm gonna do it. Did it on my own to begin with. We'll do it again now. I will do it again by myself. And yeah, thank you for all your support. I truly appreciate it. And see you all soon with a video. Bye bye.